How to transfer USDT from Bitget to Gate.io. First, all you have to do is to open your Gate.io app and then tap Deposit. Choose On-Chain Deposit. Once you're in there, select Coin USDT. Select Deposit Network, for example, the Arbitrum 1. Copy the address. Now open your Bitget app and go to your assets. Tap on Withdraw. Then select Coin USDT. Choose On-Chain Withdrawal. Then paste there the withdrawal address you get from Gate.io. Choose also the same network that you chose in Gate.io, and that's Arbitrum 1, and then put your withdrawal amount, and that's it.